filming? Mm-hmm. Wow, hi guys! Welcome back to Fusty Food Reviews. I'm Kyle. You may remember me from the last one. Since then, little story, I've been locked up. Yeah, the guy behind the camera right now locked me up for good. Kind of scary, cold, but I did have food. The best type of food I ever got down there, hot dogs. And y'all suck. Hot dogs, the best ones. Look. We got bar-ass Franks, made with chicken, pork added. And we have a specific number of hot dogs just for you. This is our 28 subscriber special. Each one of you, one of these little wieners. Oh, I love you guys. You guys taste delicious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6, 7, get back up here. 9, 10, 11, number 12 is a slippery one. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So to go into further detail about what we're doing here, each one of these hot dogs represents one of our beautiful 28 subscribers. 28 hot dogs lied here. And we're hoping that when the train comes, it's gonna produce enough heat to cook these hot dogs to our liking, so that way I can further enjoy you guys in my mouth. So right now we're just gonna wait for the train to come on by. Like I said, could take a little bit. So I don't know if you guys can hear this, but there's a good whining coming from the tracks. Sadly, it is the other tracks though, so the train's not on the tracks we want them on. But it is coming. Oh, it's coming. You can hear it. All right, so train just passed by. We got a hot dog. You can hear the tracks. They're screaming at us. That means they're cooking. Means we can get this on here. Oh yeah, you hear that sizzle? No. Well, I hear it. Yeah, look, it charred it. That's a good thing. It's warm. Yeah. So cooking hot dogs. What you want to do is you want to massage it right there. Get it so all the heat gets in there. Yeah, this hot dog's getting very lukewarm right now. I think it's mainly coming from the heat in my hands. But either way. All right, so we're in the last moments here. The hot dog's getting ready for eating. All right. Yeah. I think it's done. Oh man. Can't begin to describe how crunchy and juicy that hot dog was. Because when you want a hot dog, you want it to be golden brown, and these hot dogs are definitely golden brown. Guys, I'm pleased to announce for the very first time we have some amazing tech here on the channel. Nate, go ahead and tell us what you have in your hands right there.
This is our new drone, the Phantom 3. So this is the complete set right here. This is the best baby around.
Amazing. I can't wait to destroy it later on.
Right,
Thank you so much for doing it. Let's watch the launching of this.
Higher!
Go! Keep going! Wow. Wasn't that something? So, we've been waiting for a train for about an hour and a half now. Like, that's really not a joke. Train should be coming. Schedule says at least 4:44. It's 4:43. So, any minute now, any minute. So, train just came by. Came by a lot faster than we originally anticipated, which means more energy, obviously, which means more heat into the food. So, here's the carnage. Got hot dogs here. Got some on the tracks. Oh, that just wipes right off easily. It's a little dry. Still kind of cold. Let's try one of these ones that I got a little smushed. So this gives you a great opportunity to see what's actually inside the hot dog. So it goes along there, you know, that's just an anatomy of it, but that one's a lot better actually. I mean, when you compare it to these ones, swish it around the mouth. Yeah, I like that. So I think these hot dogs are pretty good. They're nice and juicy. They tear apart really nicely. They're pink on the inside. They're delicious. They taste amazing. Love them. So I think I'm gonna have to give them a rating of, gosh, 24 trains out of 30 cars. I like these things, really do. Can we get that lower, please? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Fusty food review. I've been Kyle. I love you guys. Thank you for 28 subscribers. We love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.